You have just been assigned to a brand new project to be delivered as a traditional project. You're working with a new team of people and you haven't quite matured as a team yet. However, everyone is optimistic about getting used to each other and producing their optimal value for the team. Your team leader introduces you to the details of the new project that you've been assigned. They let you know that the delivery requirements for the entire project are due in 4 months. The team feels that the project will require twice as much time to complete. But unfortunately, nobody consulted you on the project first. So how will you get it all finished? Could the project have been estimated differently to achieve a realistic delivery date?